So this video is going to do a quick run through of the unboxing of it, as well as some quick USPs that we can talk about. So first thing is, you guys see this nice beautiful packaging that we nicely put the WTR VTR labels on the front. But this packaging is dual purpose, so it's not only has to do with shipping the product to us, but also to your distributors. So whenever they get it, they're just going to take it, cut along the bottom here, lift up the top, and there you go. There's your POP display. So we also went in great details in designing the packaging. We went with this clamshell design. If you guys look at the packaging, you'll see a QR code on the side, not only just the nameplate, but then UPC as well. So whenever they're at the register, hey sir, have you got those new WTR? Yes, I do, right here. Get it, bloop it, sell it, out the door. As far as the packaging goes, what you actually get is the IOM sheet right on the middle. So there's no more hunting for the IOM sheet. Then the WTR itself, very simple. We'll run through that actually right now. So we have here a setup of kind of the traditional incandescent right next to the WTR. Very quick and easy. You unthread the globe. If the has it, you unthread the guard as well. Take out your incandescent. Recycle appropriately. This comes in two pieces. The quick disconnect. Thread this in. Okay. Take the other end of the disconnect, connect it. Carefully tuck your wires in. Thread it into the existing globe supports. There it is. Very, very simple. Real quick, also want to show you the VTR packaging. It is very similar with the exception of it has the Vapor Tight Retrofit, also has all the hazardous locations. So once again, QR code, VTR, UPC, POP display, all in one. So happy selling, guys.